beautiful people, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I get this message a lot about what I use on my skin that keeps my skin glowing. For some of you that knows my age, I don't have any wrinkle on my face. You know, you ask questions, you say, how do you keep your skin so radiant? You know, I'm very youthful. So today I'm going to show you in this video how I use one of those things that I use on my skin is a mixture of oils, and I use them 2 or 3 times a week. So this video is going to be, I'll show you how I mix those oils, I'll show you how I apply them, and how long you can leave them for. Okay, so let's get going. The first oil I'm going to use today is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is recommended for every natural skincare product because it's good for every skin type, and it helps bring balance to the skin. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. People with acne prone skin as well can use jojoba oil because it's very good. It's like anti-inflammatory, so it helps to heal the acne. The second oil is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil doesn't clog pores. It helps to fight acne. And one thing I like about this oil is it has retinoids, which brighten your skin, and it regenerates your skin and repair damaged skin cells. So I use 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. This rosehip oil is very good. It's really good because it has a lot of anti-aging properties. The next oil that I'm using is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, when it comes to skincare, I love sweet almond oil. The reason is because sweet almond oil it boosts collagen production. I'm using 1 tablespoon. It boosts collagen production. It keeps your skin, believe it or not, very hydrated and supple, and it helps in assisting in maintaining beautiful, glowing, youthful skin. Okay, so another of my favorite oil, my favorite oil is lemongrass. Guys, this oil is really good on my skin. Every time, if I want to brighten my skin and I put this oil with any other essential oil that I'm mixing with, I want to brighten my skin, lemongrass oil is one of the oils that I never like in my house. I always have it in my house. I never run out of it. So I use 1 teaspoon of lemongrass. I don't put too much because, you know, when it comes to lemon has citrus, and citrus can be a little bit too sensitive for the skin, so I try not to put too much of that. Another of my favorite oil is olive oil. Guys, olive oil it nourishes your skin. When it comes to anti-aging, olive oil is one of the best because it nourishes your skin. It's very good in moisturizing your skin, and it keeps your skin from looking young. If you use it all the time, it keeps your skin from looking very young. So the next thing that I use on my skin to keep my skin wrinkle free is vitamin E capsule. I use two vitamin E capsules. So what I do is I pop it with a pin and I just put it in. 2 capsules, guys. 2 capsules is enough. Don't do more than 2 capsules. Okay. Vitamin E oil nourishes your skin. It's very good for people, someone that is fighting stretch marks. If you have stretch marks on your skin, you can use vitamin E oil. So you mix them together. Make sure it's all mixed properly. Vitamin E oil helps to tighten your skin. If you have like a sagging, if your skin is sagging, you know, and you want to tighten it, you know, reduce the sagging or the wrinkle, fine lines, is vitamin E capsule is very, very good. So you mix it all together. And even for people with dark circle under their eyes, if you apply vitamin E oil every night before you go to bed, you will see that the dark circle will start reducing. So you mix it all together. So I'm going to apply it now on my face, and then I will show you how I do that. So guys, the remaining one, you just put it in here in a bowl like this, and I'm going to keep some that I'm going to apply now on my face. So you store it in a room temperature, maybe in a shelf in your room. So here we are, guys. I'm going to apply the remainder of the oil on my skin. Oh my goodness, this oil smells fine. Smell the lemongrass. Don't forget your lips. For those of you with dry lips, for smokers, you know, smokers, you always your age from the lips as well, you know. So even your neck, I always preach, whatever you apply moisturizer or any skincare product, don't forget your neck. It shows, once you start aging, the first place it shows is your neck. So apply it all over. It smells really good. You need to try this, really try this. You're going to enjoy the smell. So now, don't forget your hands too. Don't neglect your hands. Always, any skincare product you're using, always apply on your hand as well. So you rub it in. So I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes, and I'll come back and I will wash it off. So I'm back, guys. I'm going to wash it off now. 30 minutes is up. It's so soft. With the one on my hand, I'm not washing this one off. I'm just gonna rub it in on my skin. I'm not washing this off. The reason why I'm washing the one on my face, because, you know, a bit conscious. You don't want to stain anything, your fabric or something. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please help me and share it. Please subscribe to my channel with the red button there, you know, the right hand side that says subscribe. Please click that red button to support me, and like and comment, and try it and tell me what you think. Because if you do it regularly, like I said earlier, I do it regularly 2-3 times a week. Within 4 weeks, you will start to notice a huge difference on your skin, your skin texture, the fine lines and wrinkles on your face should start diminishing. If you have any acne scar, you should begin to see a huge difference. Although with acne scar, it takes a bit longer for the scar to fade. But keep using it. These oils are good. That's what keeps my skin glowing. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Take care. I love you so much.